slow, but have a cup of chill.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here. For this video, I'm going to be recreating Glitter Slime's strawberry cream cheese slime. And this video is a collab with my amazing friend Yaxmin. You guys should go check her out. She has amazing videos from like DIYs, slimes, and so much more, so you guys should go subscribe. She's also filming a recreation of a famous slime shop, Slime, so I'll leave a link down below and up in the iCard of her video. So here are this week's shoutouts. Thank you guys so much for being such a loyal subscriber. To earn yourself a shout, just comment down below any of the messages that pop up throughout my video so you can earn yourself a shout out in one of my videos. So thank you guys so much for nearly 700 subscribers. I am so thankful for you guys. Definitely subscribe if you haven't already so we could hit 1K and I can host my 1,000 subscribers milestone giveaway. That's enough talking, let's get on into the video. So I'm just adding in some Elmer's school glue into my bowl. To make this slime super sizzly and airy, I'm adding in some shampoo. This is gonna help create air bubbles to make your slime super sizzly, just like glitter slimes. So you just want to incorporate all of your ingredients so they're well mixed in. So now I'm just going in with my borax solution of 1 teaspoon of borax to 1 cup of warm water. You want to add that in gradually until your slime begins to form. Since I am making a butter slime, clays make your slimes pretty stiff if you activate them normally. So I'm just leaving my slime a tad bit underactivated so I can prevent that situation from happening. After a bit of kneading, this is my result. It's a little sticky, but it's definitely a really great base. So Glitter Slimes' strawberry cream cheese slime definitely has this salmon pink color, which is why I'm using the Daiso soft clay in the color salmon pink. So I didn't add in the whole block of clay into my slime. I only added around 3/4 of a block. I added it in gradually until my slime came to a similar texture to glitter slimes. So after some kneading, it became a really nice butter slime. I left the slime out for a while so that it could create air pockets of bubbles so that it could be super sizzly when I play with it. So here's the final result. The slime turned out absolutely amazing. It's almost exactly like Glitter Slime's strawberry cream cheese slime, maybe even better. It has the exact color. It's really sizzly like hers, super buttery and very soft. She most likely uses Daiso clay since the color is what they have as well as the texture. And I just think the result is amazing. I'm obsessed with this slime. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Before we go, definitely subscribe by hitting the subscribe icon right over here so we can hit 1,000 by the end of this year and we can have a giveaway at 1,000. Also hit click for more so you can see more videos from my channel. Love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!